We just heard back from one of our happy customers who gave us a glowing 5-star review, so we thought we'd share it with the world. We're happy to say that this is just one of the many reviews we get from our customers all the time. A happy customer that leaves a review like this online ends up being a repeat customer, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring. We work hard to ensure our customers are happy and satisfied with our service, and we will work just as hard for you too. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we look forward to chatting with you soon.